Welcome back, Reviewed Minds. This is Reviewed Chemistry, and I believe you have watched the previous video. If you have not watched the previous video, what I will say in this video will be conflicting. Try to revisit the previous video to have a clear understanding or a clear understanding on the factor facts of what isotopes. Thank you so much. Now let's look at it. Work example of what? Isotopes. Look at the question here. Copper with atomic number 29 has isotope 63 copper and 65 copper. Give their atomic composition in respect to what? Protons, electrons, and neutrons. Now, for you to deal with this, it's a simple thing. Now work on it like as if we're doing simple mathematics also. Okay, solution. Now, when you see something of this nature, it is good to what? You tabulate it. Let's tabulate it in the first place. Isotopes, right? They say what? The question talk about what? They say what? An isotope. In respect to what? The proton, electrons, and what? Neutrons. So let's look at it. It's very simple. So let's tabulate it in the first place. You have what? Isotope. And you have what? The first word there is proton. So you look for what? The proton number there. Protons. Then we have what? Electrons. Then also we have what? Neutrons. We have prepared the table in respect to that. So, what are we supposed to do here? Isotopes of copper. So you have what? 63 what? Copper. And they say look for the what? The proton what? Numbers. Protons, electrons, and what? And neutrons. Remember in our previous video, I told you that what? That proton number is the same thing as what? Atomic number. Now look at the question. The question says copper with what? Atomic number of what? 29. So very simple. Proton number here is what? 29. And if you also watch the previous video, I told you that number of electrons is the same as what? Atomic number and proton number. So the answer here again is what? 29. And in our previous video, I also mentioned that what? The neutron number, talking about the neutron number is the difference between the mass number and atomic number. So therefore, let's work it out in respect to that. So if you have, let's say you have what now? 63 mass of what? Copper. And you have what? Atomic number of what? 29. We're talking about what? The difference. So you subtract. Simple arithmetic. 1 into here give us what? 13. So 13 minus 9 will give us what? 4. Is that also? Yes, 4. It's 4. So yes. Then we have 5 left here. Right? So 5 is left here. So 5 this will give us what? 3. 5 minus 2 give us what? 3. So here, the neutron number here is what? 34. How does this look? It looks so simple. It's very simple. It's not difficult. It's very easy to understand. Now, we have dealt with this one now. Now, let's talk about the last one. The other isotope, we said what? 65 of what? Copper. The same instruction says, if the copper with what? Atomic number of what? 29. So, let's work it out. Atomic number is what? The same thing as what? Proton number. So here again, we have what? 29. Electrons is what? The same thing as what? 29. Does it make sense? Now, the neutron number is the difference between atomic mass and what? Atomic number. So we subtract again. So we'll come here again. So 65 minus 29. So you take one, this is what? Give us what? 15, right? 15 minus 9. What's the answer? Hey, is it not 7? Yeah, it should be 7. Yes, it should. 7. 1, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, it should be 7. Is it up to 7? No, it shouldn't be 7. So let's look at it. 15 minus 9. If you don't know the answer, then you tell me in the comment what? Section. It will be 6. Is it 6? Yeah, it's 6. 10, 11, 12, 13, what? 14, 15. So what? This is what? This is 6. So we have here, what is left here? We have 5 left here. So this is what? 5. 5 minus 2 give us what? 3. So here it becomes what? 26. Wow. So when you see such question, how do you deal with it? It's very simple. Copper with what? Atomic number of what? 29. Has isotopes 63 copper and 65 what? Copper. Which means that what? Copper has what? 2 isotopes, which is what? 63 and what? 65. Give their atomic composition in respect to what? Protons, electrons, and what? Neutrons. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to hit the like button. Leave your comments and subscribe to the channel. Always share so that others can watch this video. See you next time.